Do you want to know what happens to your body when you plank for 5 minutes every day? Let me tell you, planking, one of the most effective exercises, can do wonders for your body. When you plank for just 5 minutes each day, you engage multiple muscle groups, such as your core, arms, shoulders, and legs. As you hold the plank position, your core muscles work hard to stabilize your body, leading to a stronger and more defined midsection. Your arms and shoulders also benefit from the weight-bearing exercise, becoming stronger and more toned over time. Additionally, planking activates your leg muscles, helping to improve their strength and stability. Not only does planking strengthen your muscles, but it also improves your posture and stability. By holding the proper plank form, you train your body to maintain a neutral spine alignment, reducing the risk of developing back pain and improving overall posture. This exercise also targets and strengthens the muscles around your spine, contributing to a stable and healthy back. Another incredible benefit of planking is its impact on your overall endurance. As you engage multiple muscle groups for a prolonged period, your stamina increases, allowing you to perform other physical activities more efficiently. Planking also boosts your metabolism, helping you burn calories even after your workout is complete. So if you dedicate 5 minutes each day to plank, you can expect a stronger core, toned arms and shoulders, improved posture, enhanced endurance, and a revved-up metabolism. Start incorporating planks into your daily routine. 1. Introduction. Narrator, host. You plank for 5 minutes.